Container images, efficient container images and building container images with Docker files and cloud native build packs. Production-ready features, monitoring, metrics, auditing, and more. Deploying Spring Boot applications, deploying to the cloud and installing as a Unix application. Graal VM native image support. Create a native executable from your application using Graal VM. Spring Boot CLI, installing the CLI, using the CLI, configuring the CLI, and more. Build tool plugins, Maven plugin, Gradle plugin, Antlib, and more. How-to guides, application development, configuration, embedded servers, data access, and many more. The Spring Boot reference documentation has the following appendices. Application properties, common application properties that you can use to configure your application. Configuration metadata that you can use to describe configuration properties. Auto configuration classes provided by Spring Boot. Test auto configuration annotations that you can use to test the slices of your application. Executable jars, Spring Boot executable jars, their launchers and their format. Dependency versions, details of the dependencies that are managed by Spring Boot. Spring Boot is implemented in Java. Spring Boot 3.1.2 API has 429 Java packages that provide the following. Core Spring Boot classes, actuator support for AMQP and RabbitMQ, core actuator auditing classes, actuator auditing listeners, classes for general actuator auto configuration concerns, auto configuration for actuator AMQP concerns, auto configuration for actuator audit concerns, auto configuration that extend health endpoints so that they can be used as availability probes, auto configuration for actuator Spring Bean concerns, auto configuration for actuator cache concerns, auto configuration for actuator Cassandra concerns, auto configuration for actuator Cloud Foundry concerns, auto configuration actuator Cloud Foundry concerns using Webflux, auto configuration for actuator Cloud Foundry concerns using Spring MVC, auto configuration for actuator condition concerns, auto configuration for actuator Spring context concerns, auto configuration for actuator property concerns, auto configuration for actuator Couchbase concerns, auto configuration for actuator Elasticsearch concerns dependent on Spring data, auto configuration for actuator MongoDB concerns dependent on Spring data. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.